Come on! Come on! So this morning we are doing a 30-minute John's short mix. Because it's like 8 o'clock and I'm at work at 10. So I need to just get a quick one in. I was going to do either the Wringer or what's the other one called? It was the Wringer or is it SS something? It was like 50 minutes. So let me know if you've done either of those workouts. What I like about it is that you've got bits of it where you need to be really like high intensity, and there are bits where it's almost like sweet spot training. So, and it's short. Let's see how we get on. It's been a while since I've been on Zwift. I always do this, I always go too hard at the start. It's been a while since I've been on Zwift. Oh shit, my water bottle's over there. No, it's not. You all been on Zwift? I'm guessing you have, because it's pretty chilly in the UK. It's still pitch black outside, which is why I've got to put the light behind. I am going to show you my Zwift setup one day. Here's a question for you. I saw a comment, I won't say where I saw it, but basically there were a load of people organising to go out on a ride, and quite a lot of that group had said, oh, I'm not going to go out, it's a bit cold, I'm just going to do Zwift. And someone had commented, Zwift makes cyclists soft. And what's your thoughts on that? Do you reckon Zwift makes you just stay inside and ride instead of going out onto the roads? I personally think it doesn't. I think it's harder to do a Zwift session than I do on the road because it's much more structured, so I think it's harder. I can see that line of thought where you do just want to train inside, you're not training on the roads anymore. But what do you think? Do you ride Zwift? Do you ride harder or easier inside? Or does it just make you soft in that it makes you not ride in the cold, you don't have to ride in the cold? Who knows? My opinion is that Zwift is harder. Like on that 4-hour ride at the weekend, there's no way that I'd be anywhere near as hard. I was out for 90k. This is only a fraction of that. But this short period is much, much harder. So, got a GCN kit there. Oh my god, did you see the vegan videos from GCN? If you haven't, I will link them below. It's so good. So first it started off, can you be a vegan pro cyclist? And then it was how to be a vegan pro cyclist. So good. Such good videos. Let's see how the legs are doing this morning. Just had 3 or 4 grapes before I started. Intervals are coming. My legs are feeling it a bit. That's why I do 265. Excuse the hair. That is Zwift hair. And why are there still no women's Zwift hairstyles? It's only a little thing, but it makes me really irritated. You have to represent women's Zwift. Get it sorted. They kill me. Come on! Come on! Oh. Damn it! The one star I've not got was a minute 130 watts. Slacking. I should get my heart rate monitor on this, don't you? I don't ever use heart rate. I used to for running. I didn't really like the strap. I find it a bit uncomfortable. I need to reduce power. I can't believe the one star that I didn't get was 1 minute at 130 watts. It's taking it too steady. 10 minutes at 155 watts now. It's time for a bit of music. Alexa, play the Cortinas. Yeah, there's no way I would have worked that hard outside. So let me know in the comments, do you think Zwift makes you soft? It makes you train indoors, or do you actually think Zwift's harder because it's more structured? Let me know your thoughts.